welcome to the channel. In today's video, we will see how to select templates in site and stores for our website. So, first of all, you have to click on Sites and Store. Once you will click on Site and Store, you will get an option to create sites. You just have to click on Create option. Once you click on Create option, you will get in many templates for your website. You can choose it among one of them. If you wanted to start it from the scratch, you can go through empty template. But if you are having idea how you wanted to create, for example, you are going to create for web agency, for business, for architecture, for corporate and business training, for photographer portfolio or sale, so these are the options which is available over here. For example, I'll be choosing one of them to show you. As of now, I'll be choosing a photographer. As of now, you can see this will be the template of the website in Bitrix24, which you can use it to make your own website through it. So what you have to do is that you just have to click on this create site, and it will gonna make it for you. You just have to change the text, background, everything according to your requirement. Okay, so this is how helps you in creating website through sites and store. I hope you found this video helpful, so don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more content. Drop your thoughts or a question in the comments below, and I will see you in the next one. Thank you.